Hello friends, my name is Meghana. Today we will discuss about Preamble of Indian Constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. By the 42nd Constitutional Amendment in 1976, preamble description was changed. The words Sovereign Democratic Republic to Sovereign Socialist Secular Democratic Republic and also changed the words Unity of Nation to Unity and Integrity of Nation. What is preamble? A preamble is an introductory statement in a document that explains the document's philosophy and objectives. Our preamble basically gives an idea of the following things and objects. Source of the Constitution, nature of Indian state, statement of its objectives, date of its adoption. Now we will discuss about important phrases and their meanings in this preamble. We, the people of India. The Constitution has been drawn up and enacted by the people through their representatives and not handed down to them by a king or any outside powers. This is an assertion of the democratic nature of our republic. Republic. The head of the state is an elected person and not a hereditary position as in a kingdom. Sovereign. India will have supreme right to take decisions on internal as well as external matters and make her own laws. No external power can make laws for India. Socialist. Wealth is generated socially by all through their work and it should be shared equally by all. The country should strive to reduce and end all kinds of inequalities. Secular. The government will not be run on the basis of any religion. Citizens will have complete freedom to follow any religion or no religion at all. Government will not favor any religion. Democratic. A form of government where people enjoy equal political rights, elect their representatives to make laws and run the government and hold the representatives accountable. Justice. It is necessary to maintain order in society that is promised through various provisions of fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy provided by the Constitution of India. It comprises three elements, which is social, economic and political. Social justice. Social justice means that the Constitution wants to create a society without discrimination on any grounds like caste, creed, gender, religion, etc. Economic justice. Economic justice means no discrimination can be caused by people on the basis of their wealth, income, and economic status. Every person must be paid equally for an equal position, and all people must get opportunities to earn for their living. Political justice. Political justice means all the people have an equal, free, and fair right without any discrimination to participate in political opportunities. Equality. The term equality means no section of society has any special privileges and all the people have given equal opportunities for everything without any discriminations. Everyone is equal before the law. Liberty. The term liberty means freedom for the people to choose their way of life, have political views, and behavior in society. Liberty does not mean freedom to do anything. A person can do anything but in the limit set by the law. Fraternity. The term fraternity means a feeling of brotherhood and an emotional attachment with the country and all the people. Fraternity helps to promote dignity and unity in a nation. Friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Give your motivative suggestions on comments. Thank you. Bye bye.